In this video today, we will see how to airdrop on iPhone. Airdropping means it is the process of transferring files such as photos wirelessly from one iOS device to another iOS device. In this video, I will be transferring a photo from my iMac to my iPhone. So for that one, what we will do is we will swipe the iPhone screen from the upper right corner to open this control center. Now if you see, there are these connection icons here like wireless, Bluetooth, etc. I will tap and hold on this icon here, and if you see, there is an option airdrop which is right now enabled. Suppose if it is disabled like this one, receiving off, then what you do, tap on airdrop. You have the options to enable airdrop for contacts only, or else you have the option to enable for everyone but only for 10 minutes. So let me select for contacts only at the moment. So once you have enabled airdrop in iPhone, then we will see how to airdrop from iMac. Now let me go to the iMac. Now once I have enabled airdrop in iPhone, what I will do is I will go to my iMac. Then I will click on this go option here, select airdrop. Now make sure to unlock your iPhone. You can see this iMac found my iPhone. So what I will do, I will drag and I will leave any photo or document on the top of this iPhone. Now what happened is the photo is received by my iPhone, which I will show in my iPhone. So once I airdrop picture from iMac to iPhone, the picture is received by this iPhone. So from here, if I want to save the picture, I will tap on this arrow here. Then I will go down and select this option, add to album, and then I can either add in any album here which is shown here, or else I can go to this new album and then select and rename this album as airdrop and then save. So let me go ahead and open these photos. Let me go to album, and you can see the photos is shown in recent also, and then I had saved it in another separate album which is airdrop. In this way you can transfer images or any document from iMac or any iOS devices to another iOS device by using airdrop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.